Why should you care about humor as a means to improve workplace culture? Well, study after study has shown that where there is laughter, there's emotional connection. Where there's emotional connection, there's trust. And where there's trust in a workplace, there's less stress, there's better productivity, and most importantly, there's smooth fingertips. No, there's profit! Increased profit. The whole secret of comedy is the element of surprise. You think one thing's gonna happen and something else does. You think the guy's gonna walk down the street just fine, he slips on a banana peel. You see me making this sign and you think I'm gonna say money, I say smooth fingertips. It's that element of surprise that takes us off guard and releases tension. So what if that surprise is an unexpected reaction, like the team leader who, when a deal falls through, doesn't explode, just says, "Oh, well, that didn't go the way I'd hoped it would." Even using just a little bit of humor in the workplace can totally transform the culture. Take some of that tension out and suddenly you have employees who aren't constantly simmering at a 9, who don't have to drag themselves into work every morning, who aren't sitting on work computers looking for other jobs. Humor creates rapport, it creates resiliency, it creates a team culture. We're all in this together. And when you can laugh at something together, you're turning a negative into a positive. And you can turn that positive into, say it with me now, smooth fingertips. How did you not get it this time? If you want your employees to have a better, more satisfying work environment and be more loyal to you, use one of those smooth fingertips to hit one of the booking buttons on this page.